Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. GIF Nifty in the morning indicated Nifty future opening around 19,900, but our pre-market did not show that much enthusiasm, and in fact Nifty future did not even try to go nearer to 19,900, and it fell, but the fall was very limited. And today, since morning, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank all fell, but HDFC Bank was up. Reliance fell, but TCS Infosys up. So today is a mixed bag. Some stocks were down and some stocks were up. Power Grid fell 5% after the results. I think the results were not good. Maruti results were good, but still it has fallen. That's because, the results have already been factored in. Because in the last 1 or 2 months, the Maruti has run up so much already. And Hero Moto fell because some enforcement directorate officials have visited the chairman's house. You may remember last time also, there was some income tax rate. That is when the Hero MotoCorp came to around 2,200. Now it is above 3,000. So if there is a good company and this kind of bad news, it's a buying opportunity. And of course, things can go other way around also. But this time, the ED officials did not visit the company, visited the chairman's house. So it is an individual case, not a company case. So anyway, let us not speculate on those things. And IT, today it has come to the support of the market for the second straight day. Today particularly, Tech Mahindra shot up more than 3%. I do not know if there is any news flow, but so far I have not seen any news. Totally, it was just a consolidation day. At the end of the day, Nifty was down only about 20 points. The Nifty future premium, in the beginning of this series, it was around 200 points. Now it is coming down slowly. I think today it is only about 80-85 points. So it's less than 100 points. So this shows that, like upside as well as downside may be limited going forward. And that is evident from the fact that, the India VIX has fallen by more than 2% today, and option premiums have fallen both the sides. Put option also fell and call option also fell. And totally it was a good day for option sellers. So PSU banks also fell, particularly State Bank of India has done very badly. Maybe, following the tradition. So the tradition is sell before the results, because after the results, most of the stocks tend to underperform. I think HDFC Bank, fell after the results. ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, most of the banks have fallen after the results. So, but State Bank of India is trading close at all-time high. So probably they want to book some profits. So anyway, results are coming on Friday. So global cues are just muted, and Europe is slightly lower. US futures are also slightly lower now. And yesterday I reported wrong data on FII data. So actually I was traveling from my village to Chennai. I parked the car on a highway. So I was just looking at the data. That time the FII data did not come. So where I've seen the data was the previous day's data. So that I reported. So other than that, yesterday FII sold only for about 700 crore. The previous day it was more than 1000 crore. So yesterday 700 crore. Today they just sold only for 93 crore. So that shows that, their selling is subsiding. So once their selling is subsided, again when they start buying, so the rally can resume. So remember, this is the 5th month of a rally in stocks. And usually the rally do not last more than 3 months. and as and when 4 months rally continued, the probability of 5th month also turning into green is very, very high. So most of the time, when 4 months Nifty closed in green, the 5th month also Nifty closed in green. So anyway, so everybody is keenly watching for 20,000 in Nifty. So other than that, there is no much change in the open interest because it was just a flat day. So people no need to do any adjustments. So there was some call options sold because we have only 2 more days for expiry. So other than that, there is no much change in the thing. So as I told you, option sellers, making money, especially the people who sold a strangle, both who sold put option as well as call option. Put option also coming down by 4 or 5 rupees, call option also coming down by 4 or 5 rupees. So US markets, and this week roughly about 1/3 of the S&P 500 companies set to declare the results. As and when more and more results come, so markets will be reacting. So just like we have seen the last 2 weeks of July, so that kind of thing may happen there. That may affect our market. Other than that, everything is looking good for India. Today manufacturing PMI data came above 57. That's a fantastic number. Most of the countries they struggle between 48 and 52. So ours is 57. I think the GST data also came around 1.65 lakh crore is also very, very decent. I think for the last few months, this GST collection has been stabilizing around 1.6 to 1.65 lakh crore. So that is also something good. So everybody's focus is now when Nifty will be touching 20,000, and will that happen in August or not? So we will see what is going to happen. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.